Here's a sniper MBO method or a trading system in action. You're seeing that I placed my order, one sell limit order, like right now you're seeing nearby the significant other people limit orders. Right now you see there's a 36, 35, 33 in the queue, and totally volume is 41 with 8 contracts, and it's slightly going less and less,
Order
27.
filled.
Boom. Now my order is being taken, my limit order to sell, because I place it at simply nearby other people, significant or abnormally large order on the level 2. So MBO, which you see the DOM, MBO DOM is a great help to identify in real time. And this is the key. I can see it in real time, the orders on the level 2. So now I'm expecting that the price may go and sink and give me some drawdown, so I can be in a negative zone. You're seeing that I only 4 to 5 to $8 in negative zone because I'm trading the micro gold, and this is the key, guys. This is the key. I'm intentionally not trading right now the mini gold or whatever the gold ticker it is, but you're seeing me 15 seconds time frame, and I'm trading micro gold because micro gold, any micro ES or NQ or any other ticker is absolutely micro is safer way to do it at the beginning of the trading session that you decide to trade for maybe a couple hours before you do it. I usually do this warm up, and I highly recommend each of you to warm up yourself. When you put your mouse over the level 2 on a heat map, you can see from what price for what volume a price reacted, and now you can position your next limit orders nearby this similar significantly large limit orders on a level 2. So now the price is bouncing, and you see that the sellers actually added some more pressure from the above, which is good for me. The price is going lower, and it's probably going to take my take profit. So now the rules for this system, let me add
Order
some more.
submitted.
Here we go. I am submitted another my limit order to sell nearby other people. You see 61.41 right now on that limit order. Other people and 13 contracts on that price level where I have my sell limit order positioned right now. And I don't care if the price will come or will miss. I can wait for a half an hour or another hour until the price will come and pick up my sell limit order. This is the beauty of this particular system, that from the statistics and the history, I already know that in a situation like that, I can expect maybe 10 to up to 15 ticks into the negative zone. So I know it from the statistics. And I'm totally fine with that. So I'm going to just double with the second contract if the price is going to go higher, because I know that there is another factor. So there was another cofactor, which I considered at the moment of placing this order, that the price was right over here. At the moment I've placed my order, the price was over here. But I think that this is a particular resistance, which I consider as a cofactor at that moment. Okay. And I place it my price right over here, my limit order in this area. So I place it myself, actually, excuse me, right over here. I place it my limit order over here, considering that this resistance will play the role along with the some other people, large limit order right there. So, and as you can see, that is the current situation right now. So this resistance This resistance over here is the cofactor in that very situation. So there's a larger resistance if you take the whole range on the left, right, like this one, that as a cofactor that price may reach this limit order and bounce from here. And the price actually came and bounced enough to get me into the profit. So this is the cofactor. And let's play this order further because totally this video is about 13 minutes. And I'm probably going to shorten it a little bit to save you time. But as you can see now, the price is moving lower and lower. And I hope it's going to close me in my 7 ticks. Usually I put my take profit on the micro gold or gold as a 7 ticks. And we'll see how it's going to happen. So the price is approaching the very place where I entered into the this particular trade. And this system is called the Sniper MBO because it's trade with a great precision, as you can see, like precision right there. Nearby somebody else, a large significant limit to order. I know from the history by observing the micro gold on the history, I already know that as a safe for me is 7 ticks. I have significantly larger chance to get my profit being close into positive. And now you see right above my price position that has been taking, I see the significant amount of the sellers on the MBO, which is giving me a really good positive feelings that my trade will be taking into the profit because there is the MBO demonstrate right now in real time that there is orders on the level 2, which most people from the price action couldn't even see. They don't even understand that the liquidity is not sitting on the price action ups and downs and significant extremums, significantly lower, important, the swing points, not at all. The liquidity is sitting only on a level 2 data on the heat map, which is exactly what I'm using right now. So by using this indicator, MBO on the right side, MBO DOM, I see in real life, there's orders out there. There's a pressure on the DOM out there. And I see on the heat map, I see the historical record of those limit 2 orders, which gives me a confidence into the trade. So now I'm positive, and you're saying that it's only $1 or $2 or $3 because again, I'm making myself warming myself up before I invest more into my risk and more into my account. I'm risking only with one contract, and it is a very safe. And I recommend to everyone when you starting the day, start with the micro gold or micro whatever ES micro and Q. Let me move this order a little bit higher so I'm not so greedy, and I know that my take profit will be taking with the really big confidence, basically. And this is really awesome. Let me demonstrate it to you that what I'm doing, it is not the first trade today. Well, here's another warm-up trade. Take a look where I put my 5 orders limit order, sell limit order. I sandwiched it between 2 other large orders, as you can see where my 5 orders limit is sitting and the price is approaching slowly. Filled. So the order is triggered, my limit order, and now I'm expecting a few ticks down to take into my profits. Okay, a couple, 1, 2 orders now get closed, reach the profit, and I need to wait for other 3 orders to reach the profit as well. So this is based on the statistics. This is based on observation. I have a guide what kind of price levels I select, when, during what kind of sessions, volatility, and so on. This is important factors because you don't do it during the New York, what you're seeing right now on the screen, because this is a pre-market Asian session on the micro gold. So let's take in real time. We are taking time to get my 3 contracts get into the profit.
Target filled.
So the target is filled, and this is bingo. This is my pre-warm up, kind of like an exercise before I go and trade more money and put more money at risk. Trading performance. So let's change this date to the 28th and see how it goes now. It was 4 trades, and let's generate it up to the today or tomorrow, and we're gonna see that now I have 7 trades, 2 long and 2 shorts, and it's still keeping me 100% win rate. So this is pretty good confidence that I feel in the groove today. I feel the market, I feel the direction, and I enter into a correct position to get 100% winning trades. And now I can scale from the micro to a mini, or I can increase number of the contracts. I can double it, triple it, or even quadruple it. And this trade is on M&Q. Again, it is a pre-market session on 30 seconds time frame. I put my order, 10 limit orders, way ahead of the time. Let's take a look how it's going to be triggered by the price. So I'm waiting until the price is going to come and trigger my order nearby somebody else large orders that I can observe on the MBO and a heat map as well. Let's take a minute and wait a little bit.
Order filled.
So the order filled, and I'm expecting a bounce for 3 to 5 to 7 ticks to get me into the profit. So right now we're seeing a large absorption that happens at this level. So the price is bouncing and going up. Let's wait a little bit. This is real time scenario. And now, as you can see, instead of like a 1 contract, after I feel well, after warming up myself, I can, as you can see right now, I can use the 10 contracts.
Target filled.
Here we go, target filled, and I feel really good because the price is bounced from the other people, large or enormous volume on the MBO. Now I position my other 10 orders, sell limit orders nearby the significant on the MBO. And as you can see on the left, there is a price already tried to approach the same level a couple minutes before.
Order filled.
So my order is filled, and let's wait until I'm gonna get into my profits. There's just a few ticks out there. So this level actually absorbed price really well, as you can see by the green bubble. Let's wait a little bit. This is in real time, and looks like the price is moving to close my profit.
Target filled.
So the target filled, and I feel really, really good. This is how you position your orders nearby somebody else whale or a large institutional orders. So your order will be taken with almost a guarantee. If you'd like to know the rules for the Sniper MBO, just proceed to the bestorderflow.com and download the free guide for the Sniper MBO trading system.